Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error connection locked Windows 11. To start, we open the command prompt console as administrator. Click Yes to access. First, run the command on screen to release the cache. Press Enter. Now reset WinSock with the command netsh winsock reset. You are going to restart the system to apply these changes. When you log in the search box, enter Firewall. Open Windows Defender Firewall. In this window, click on the line Restore Defaults. Again, click on Restore Defaults and confirm by clicking Yes. After this, open Settings from Start. Here in the section, Network and Internet, Advanced Network Settings. Here, click on Network Reset and then click on Reset Now. Confirm by clicking Yes and you can close the information window. To complete this process, restart the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.